We'll begin our math today with an activity that I think you'll really enjoy. Okay, I heard from a lot of you that you really like writing your numbers. So we're going to go to our Saxon Math booklet. And we are on we're on lesson 9A, and at the bottom is a number 23. So we're going to start writing the numbers. This is like a pattern, 6, 8, 6, 8. So let's start with the 6. So for those of you who really like writing numbers, and some of you said in your comments that you really like that, so you're going to like this right here. So the 8 curves around and then stops. Okay, 6, 8, 6, 8. That's our pattern on this first line. 6, and then start at the dot and make an 8. Okay. Now our next pattern is 9, 0, 9, 0. So we're going to start right here. 9, 0, 9, 0. Okay, and remember, anytime that you need more time, just pause the video. Okay, now I'm going to read the instructions and I'll follow along. So it says point to the tower on the right. Remember, my right is that I use my pencil with my right hand, so that's this one right here. It says, how many squares are shaded? So go ahead and count with me right now as I point. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Write the answer in the circle below the tower. Okay, so 5 were shaded, 1 is not, so I'm writing the 5 right here. Okay, so remember, down, curve around, give it a hat. That's our number 5. Now it says point to the tower on the left. So I'm going to use my left hand to point to the tower on the left. Color fewer squares. So fewer is the same as less. So I can't color 5 because 5 would be the same, right? So I need to color either 4, 3, 2, or 1. So I'm going to make this easy for me. I'm going to color 1, 2, 3, 4, because I know 4 is going to be 1 fewer, okay? So then it says write the number of squares that I colored below that tower. So I'm writing my number 4, okay, because 4 is fewer than 5, right? So how many, now I'm going to go down to number 3. So when you're finished with number 2, this is all part of problem number 2, join me down on problem number 3. Remember to pause, and then you can press play to rejoin me. How many squares are in this train? Okay, count with me here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 is one of my favorite numbers because you can make it like a snowman, right? Almost like a snowman. So there's 8, okay? Color, and then I still have to go on it. It's giving me more instructions. Color 5 squares green. Okay, I have to grab my green crayon. If you're joining me in this lesson right now, go ahead and get your green crayon and you can follow along with me. Remember, I just like to make my squares and then color it in, right? So there's 1. I have to do 5. 2. I don't want to lose track, so I'm going to just circle that 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 5, because there was one lesson where I just kept counting and kept going, so I had to go back and erase. But this one I just wanted to do 5. Okay, now it says color the other squares orange. So I'm going to find an orange crayon, and then I'm going to color right here. 1, 2, 3. That was fun. Okay, then it says how many squares are orange? Well, that's really easy now. 1, 2, 3. Here we go. There's my 3. And we're all done. All right, so give yourself an exit ticket at the top of the page. And well done on your Saxon Math page today.